Hello and welcome to Dual Platform. Dear baccalaureate winners, congratulations! It is very easy to access this platform. All you have to do is to follow the instructions presented in this video. First, put this link in the URL bar of your browser. This is the page that you will see. Now click on Sign In. In this page, what you have to do is to type your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see this page. Now, click on the course entitled Improve Your English First Year Students 2023-2024. This is the page that contains the contents of the course, which also consists of a number of units. From here, for the first 2 weeks, you will start with the listening course only. So, let's take a look on it. First, you have improved your listening skills through practice. If you click on the plus icon, you will see its content. Here, you have Welcome and Listening Pre-tests. Let's click on Welcome. As you can see, we have the objectives of the listening course, a video of the listening course description, the instructions, the video of the listening pre-test, and lastly, the exercises. This is the part where you have to pick the right answers and submit them to the platform. From here, you just click Next and finish each part to complete the unit. To see your progress, you can go to the progress button on top of the page. Here, you will see the progress percentage and the grade taken in this course. Bear in mind that more than 60% is required to get your certificate. This is all for the instructions on how to use Dual Platform. Thank you for your attention.